Welcome to our YouTube channel Inspired We. Telescopes don't see in the dark per se, but they can gather more light than the naked eye and detect faint objects that may be invisible to us. Telescopes work by collecting and focusing light from distant objects, allowing us to see them in greater detail and clarity. When light enters a telescope's primary mirror or lens, it's directed to a secondary mirror or lens, which reflects or refracts the light and sends it to the eyepiece or camera. The larger the telescope's aperture, the diameter of its primary mirror or lens, the more light it can gather and the brighter and clearer the image will be. In addition, telescopes can use various techniques to enhance their ability to detect faint objects. For example, some telescopes use long exposures or image stacking to capture more light over time and produce a brighter image. Others may use filters or adaptive optics to reduce background noise or correct for atmospheric distortion, which can improve image quality and clarity. Telescopes allow us to observe objects in the night sky that would otherwise be invisible to the naked eye, and their ability to gather and focus light makes them invaluable tools for studying the universe. Another way telescopes enhance their ability to detect faint objects is by observing in wavelengths of light beyond the visible spectrum, such as infrared, ultraviolet, or radio waves. These wavelengths can reveal different features and characteristics of objects that are not visible in visible light. Telescopes can also be placed in locations with very little light pollution, such as remote mountaintops or space, which allows them to detect even fainter objects. The Hubble Space Telescope, for example, is located in space, where it can avoid the interference of Earth's atmosphere and capture clear images of distant galaxies and other celestial objects. Telescopes can also be equipped with advanced instruments that can measure properties of light beyond just brightness, such as polarization or spectral lines. These measurements can reveal information about the composition, temperature, and other physical properties of the objects being observed. Overall, telescopes are powerful tools that allow us to explore and understand the universe in ways that would not be possible with the naked eye. By gathering and focusing light, observing in different wavelengths, and using advanced instruments and techniques, telescopes can reveal new insights and discoveries about the cosmos. Thanks for watching.